All right, y'all, so we are just going to jump straight into the video. So my hair has just been freshly washed. I washed it with the brand Lovely's Lovely Lather Cleansing Apple Cider Vinegar Lock Shampoo, and I'm going to put all the details about that company in the description box. I did do some of my hair off camera just so I could get it out the way. But I'm just going to take 2 locks and I'm spraying the brand Lovely's rose water onto my hair and just making sure it really gets saturated. And then I use the brand Lovely's exhilarating hair oil and just make sure that I coat my scalp with that. You want to make sure that you comb your new growth out at the top so there aren't any knots when you retwist. So my retwisting method is palm rolling, and that is what I'm showing you guys right now. You just put 1 lock in the middle of your palms and you roll it the way that it was already going. And then I just do it with the other one as well. Now, if we weren't doing a style, you could just clip these and then let them dry and then just wear your hair like that. But for the sake of this style, we are going to start twisting instead. Now, even though you're doing a twist, you still want to make sure that you're twisting the locks individually the way that they were going. And we do that all the way down. And if you have some uneven locks, you can just wrap the hair around. So once you finish doing that, you're going to take the bottom of your lock and wrap it into a Bantu knot. And then you're going to secure it with a rubber band. And I'm just repeating that process throughout my entire head. And now I'm going to finish the rest off camera. So this was the finished look. I actually took the rubber bands out and let my ends be curly because I was going out, and I actually like this style a lot and it seemed to stay. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it was helpful. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will see you guys next time.